All right, so you love those images, is all right. Confess, you actually love them. This is day 11 of our 30-day AI content creation challenge. And if you're just joining us for the first time, you should go check out the playlist I created for you. I'm doing a 30-day challenge where I'm teaching you how to create and monetize different types of AI content. And today I'm going to be teaching you how you can create beautiful product packaging like this, including the details, the camera angles, the shots, the text that should be added, the fonts, and all of that. But why would you even learn how to create this? Why should you learn how to create this? Now you need to go through Pinterest and just look at these stunning images. Look at these stunning images. I tell you, you can always get ideas from Pinterest. So one thing I need you to understand is it's not just about having a skill. It's about knowing how to sell this skill. And the truth is, if you even focus on small brands, like you're a beginner, you focus on small brands, you should know that the pain points most small brands have is they don't have the luxury of high-end studios. Most of them do not know design packaging concepts. Some of them do not know how to produce ad creatives. Some of them do not know how to produce product mock-ups. They just post their picture on social media. So that is the pain you would help them solve. Let me show you something. Let me go to Gemini because we are going to be using Nano Banana for this. I'm going to be using Nano Banana on Flow. By the way, if you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Like the video, subscribe to the channel because trust me, the value I'm giving to you here is second to none. We are going to click on create image and let me say, let me just create a random image. Let me just say I need an image of a sleek phone. Don't mind my just add all the spaces. I need an image of a sleek phone, normal shots. So once we create this image, I'm going to show you how you can transform this particular image you are going to create into something outstanding, and you're going to tell me which one you would pick. So the truth is, I'm not really someone that likes to emphasize on the money parts. But once you know what you are doing, you can charge so much for this. So this is the phone, right? This is just a simple phone. Let me download this image and I'm going to use a simple prompt. A simple prompt as place it on a stunning mock-up. Just something simple. Stunning mock-up. High-end photography. Perfect shots and camera angle, very sleek. Let's just use something simple. And one way you can get ideas for all of this, like I said, is from Pinterest, and you can monetize this in a lot of ways. I'd always tell you about positioning. Don't mind me, the more as I'm teaching you, I'm also going to be enriching and working on your mind because I believe everything begins from the mind. So you can help brands produce high-end visuals using this particular skill. Because like I said, not all of them can afford high-end studios. Most of them don't know how to take perfect photographs. You can even grow your social media pages. You could just start a social media page and then you're posting luxury products concepts. Go to Instagram, you see a lot of that. You're posting luxury products concepts and you can even be leaving the prompts. That's one way you can grow a social media following. You are leaving the prompts, you are doing AI brand visuals, you are doing packaging redesigns. You could, show us the before and after of what you are creating. You can even sell digital products pack. You can sell all of these prompts. Oh, this is the prompt I used for this. You can sell it and people would want to buy because you know what you are doing. Okay, so I don't really like this mock-up I'm getting. I'm not cool with this mock-up. Let's change this. Let's say I want the phone looking like something that can compete with top-notch photography. Let's just try that. Pinterest style. Or if I'm still not getting what I want, I can come over to ChatGPT and say, I have a phone placed on a table, simple mock-up, but I don't like it. I want the phone looking sleek. Maybe the phone would stand, and then you add necessary image styles or prompts that can be used to create perfect product photography for a phone. You understand? Something sleek, tech-like. Give me a prompt for that. So let's wait and see what ChatGPT is going to give to us. But in the meantime, as I was saying, you can sell prompt packs for this. Look at this. Let's click on this product photo ideas. See how they are beautiful, right? They are all stunning. And as time goes on, when you position yourself, you can even work with agencies. You can work with agencies. It's all about the positioning. And when you need an idea for something, like I said, you can always take a photo, take it to Gemini, and ask Gemini to share the prompt that was used. So you can generate all of this using AI. You can even start your own studio. There's this brand I saw on Instagram, and this is what they do. Another target audience that you have are e-commerce brands, like all of these Jumia. But like I said, it's all about the positioning and you being able to sell your services. So learn to also add a story to this, because story sells. So learn to add stories to this, stories to your prompts, stories to your visuals. Just make it outstanding. See this one, almonds. And this can be created using AI, using ChatGPT. So it's as simple as this. Let me see. Where is the phone? Oh my god, AI. So let's see what we got from ChatGPT. So I'm going to upload the image. So that's how to create that. So for your case, let me share something. There are different products out there. There's toothpaste, there are skincare products, there are health products, and the rest of that. All of them have different characteristics in terms of how you should present it and the rest. That's why I'd always tell you, please come over to ChatGPT and explain what you want to achieve. So let's do this. Let's say I want to create for a food brand. Let's say should we say shawarma, and then I want the text, I want the color and everything. There are particular colors that suit food, right? Okay, it wouldn't make sense to create a food brand or a food photo and then you're using something like blue, or you're using something like purple, except you are very good at what you are doing. But most colors that goes with food are things like yellow, orange, red, and the rest of that. In the meantime, let's see. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So if you see this and then you see this, well, different strokes for different folks, but I'll take this because the focus is on the phone and you can see the gradients and all of that. That's what I was trying to say. These things help you present a product better. So let's create something for shawarma. Okay, so I need you to act as a product photographer that has been using AI to create stunning product images. And you're going to give me 3 different prompts to create a perfect image for a shawarma brand. Now, this is what I'm aiming for. This is more like a product presentation. It's going to be placed on sleek mock-up. We're going to have the font. Note, the font you're going to give has to be something that resonates with food. There are different fonts that works with food. And then the color combination, you can... Okay, this is what you're going to give to me. You're going to give me the products first. Then you're going to give me someone that is an African male and female holding that product, like eating it. And then we are going to see the products presented on a stunning mock-up, maybe along with a bottle of strawberry juice or a can of juice. You understand, you are the experts here. You've been doing product photography for all your life, so you should know what I'm aiming for. About 4 different images. It has to be sleek, and then the name of this shawarma brand should be RIRAH, RIRAH, RIRAH shawarma. Then you need to make it sleek. You need to make it nice, something that stops the scroll at a glance. That's what I'm aiming for. So we are going to create this, and let's copy this, then paste here, image first. Then for the next creation, we will have to use the reference image You understand? The reference image we have to create it. Oh, it actually gave me 2 different campaigns. By the way, have you liked this video and have you subscribed to the channel? If you've not done that, please be a darling and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and ensure you are watching and implementing. That would be the greatest thing you'll do for me. Like, share, subscribe, watch, and implement. And you can also share your creations on the Telegram group. Yes. Share your testimonies with me too. Waiting. Oh. Is that lettuce? Urban shawarma. Then I'm going to create for okay, African woman. So we're going to add this to prompts. So that's it for, oh my god, what did I do? Oh darlings, I actually made a mistake. I was copying for the second one instead of the first one. Let's create this. Then okay, that's not looking bad. That's not looking bad. So let me download Neo Shawarma. Okay. I'm going to try something. So now that we are done with this, let's go over and try for skincare. Okay. All right. So this is it. So in your case, right, if you have an image you are working with, all you have to do is upload the image. You know how to upload image as a reference image, right? Then you add the necessary prompts. There are some that would need water droplets, you know, some would need this natural setting. That's why I always tell you, just go over to AI and explain what you want. By the way, this is day 11. Yes, this is day 11 of our 30 days AI content creation class. You can go check out the playlist so you can watch all videos right from day 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is upload this, then paste the prompt. Same thing for image 3, then image 4. So let's try for another brand. Let's try for juice so we can see those water droplets. AI is 4D. How is she having but this is it. These hands don't look a female model African. Smooth hands. So we can have consistency in the images. We're going to click on add to prompt. Then we are going to copy this. This is it. So I'm just going to create. You might not hear me speak, please. And by the way, have you checked out my seller store? Yeah, you should go check it out and have access to books like this. I'm still going to add more. I'm working on one on products photography prompts, so you can just copy and paste. So when that is ready, you are also going to be the first to know. So yes, I'm back. These are all the images I generated. You see how beautiful they look, right? See how beautiful the images we generated look. So this is how you can create images for your brand, and you can monetize this by reaching out to brands that need your services. You understand, right? Reach out to marketing agencies because they need content daily. You know, drop shippers, Jumia vendors, Amazon vendors, Konga vendors, perfume vendors. Help them change from using that boring image to something sleek. You see this? Wouldn't you buy this? If imagine I was selling this, you'd want to buy. Look at it's triggering your psychology. It makes you thirsty and you want to get it ASAP. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in day 12. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on all social media platforms. Just search for RIRAH CREATES on Google and you're going to see my social media accounts. So follow me. I want to see your content, and I'm going to leave the link in the Telegram group, so make sure you join. Bye bye. And I'm going to leave the link to these prompts in my groups, that's Telegram and WhatsApp, so ensure you are there. Bye bye.